Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete recent account picture history in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you want to delete and remove recent account picture history, so just follow some easy steps. Click on the search icon, type File Explorer, open File Explorer. Now click on this local disk C. Now click here. Now type %sign appdata %sign this symbol Microsoft / symbol Windows / and account picture. Then press enter. So you will see this recent history account picture. Select all, press shift and delete. If I want to delete permanently, so select, press and hold shift and right click, then delete. It will ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete? Click on yes on that side. So like this guys, you can delete recent account picture history in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.